Hello guys. So guys, I hope you all okay. So guys, today I want to share something to you. So guys, I want to review this engine. This is a rover K-series 1.8 liter engine. So I want to say it to you because this is my way to installation the engine. So first of all, we take one table and put everything on table, like block, head, crankshaft, everything you can put on one table. And where is the bolt, you can mark on the plastic bag. So because when you fix the engine, you can't forget any bolt, because somewhere is short and long bolt. So if you put one side, like this is clutch set bolt, so you can't forget, because this is belong to clutch set. So like this, because if you do this way, you can't forget anything, and you will do your job very well. And this is the engine stand. So if you use this engine stand, you can rebuild along this engine. And everything is here, so you can't forget anything. This is everything is here. The valve spring, everything is here. So I will try to show how I reviewed this engine and everything I want to say to you. Okay, this is like this is main piece, and I will mark ready. This is crankcase one, and this is belong to the this is block one. So everything, when you mark, you can't forget anything, and you will do your job is very well. So I hope you will understand what I say. So okay guys, uh, take care, and we will next video and next topic is a good topic.